Hello, welcome back to our second lesson on artificial intelligence. So in the last video, we learned what AI is and the 5 core cognitive capabilities, human-like capabilities that actually make it work. And what were those capabilities? Learning, reasoning, perception or understanding, solving problems, and of course, language skills. In this video, we are going to explore the 3 main types of AI. Now, when I say types of AI, then I am not categorizing it based on its use. I am categorizing it based on its intelligence level, how smart the AI is. Can it make its own decisions, or is it just following your instructions? Can it think, or at least try to think like us humans? That is how we will be dividing AI into 3 categories. And what are these categories? Narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. So let's dive straight in. The first is narrow intelligence, artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI. This is also called weak AI. Why weak AI? Because its capabilities are very weak as compared to human intelligence. Why? Because it is designed or trained for doing one specific task. So, for instance, if you have a weather forecasting artificial intelligence system, then it will not be able to assist you in other tasks, say banking transactions or finding a new location or looking into train itineraries or helping you create your travel plans. It can do only one specific task. But still, it is the most common, or rather I should say the only type of AI that is available to us. Let's take examples and then you will understand this better, because AI is already part of our daily life and we are already using it. When you are using Google Maps to find the best way ahead so that you can avoid traffic jams, or you are asking a question to Siri or Alexa or any chatbot that is there on a website that you are logged into, or you are watching videos on YouTube. These are all examples of AI, but narrow AI. Why? Because if you think about it, then you will see that these apps or these AI systems are capable of doing just one thing. Google Maps, it will help you find the path from one place to another. Chatbots are there to help you solve your problems, but only through text conversations. YouTube is there only for watching videos. Or if you talk about Spotify, then you can only listen to songs. Okay, recently they have added videos to it and you can watch videos of songs, some of the songs, but still primarily it has been designed only to listen to music. So you can see that all of these AI systems that we use in daily life, they are doing only one type of task. And let me assure you, even for commercial uses, the AI that we use is only for doing one single task. That is the way they are designed and trained. So they are all examples of narrow AI. The next is AGI. I'm sure you are hearing of this often. So artificial general intelligence. It is also called strong AI because it is supposed to be stronger than narrow AI. Why? Because it should be able to learn new things, reason, solve new problems that you throw at it, and even have emotions. Now, I said that it should be able to. Why did I say that? Because it is not yet achieved. The scientists and researchers are still working on it. The research is ongoing. Researchers say that in a couple of years or maybe within the decade, we should be having systems that have general intelligence, artificial general intelligence, but it is still in the future. So when we have that AGI, then what it should look like? If AGI becomes real, then it would be like a machine that can learn mathematics, paint pictures, hold a conversation without being prompted, or it can play maybe football if we have a robo. Then it can do other things like create music. all with human-like understanding. That thing is there, okay? Human-like understanding. It should be able to understand context and subcontext. And above all, it should be able to learn from fewer examples. See, all of you know that when we are training artificial intelligence systems, then we use humongous amount of data, right? But if the AI system can understand the context, then we should be able to train it on new things using much fewer data, fewer examples, right? But right now, I should say it is a matter of science fiction. Researchers are making progress, but we are still not there. Now, many of you might be thinking that ChatGPT is already an AGI because it can do so many things. It can talk to you via text, it can provide output as videos, it can create images, it can help you plan travel itineraries, it can solve your problems. If you have a business problem or a personal problem, you can ask it. It can help you understand new topics, it can help you practice new skills, right? But if you look at ChatGPT or an AI system like that, but when you look at how ChatGPT actually works, then it is fundamentally just a language model, okay? A very powerful language model, but still a language model. What does that mean? It means that all it is doing is it is manipulating and processing the data that we have already fed it in the form of text, audio, or video, or images. It is not thinking on its own. If you throw some new things at it, if it has never seen an image of an object and you ask it to identify, it will not be able to identify. We humans, when we look at something new which we have never come across, we do try to guess, because depending on our past experiences, drawing from our past experiences. But ChatGPT or a similar advanced AI system cannot do that, because fundamentally they are still weak AI, narrow AI. They can do just one thing, and what that one thing is? Process our language. They are fundamentally a language model. So if somebody says that ChatGPT is an AGI, stop them there and then and tell them that no, it is not. It is a large language model, but it is not an AGI. Okay? So that was about AGI. The third and the final category is artificial superintelligence. As the name suggests, superintelligence, it is more than the human intelligence. So ASI systems should be more intelligent than humans. It goes beyond human intelligence. It could do things more creatively, in a smarter way, faster. While this sounds very exciting, but we have to be very careful when we are thinking about ASI, because a system that can make its own decisions may decide one day not to follow the rules set down by humans. Do we really want that? Are we ready to do that? It is in theoretical stage, but still it raises serious ethical concerns. AI ethics is something that we'll be covering in future videos, and there we will discuss more about it. But for now, just understand that artificial superintelligence is still in theoretical phase, but still it raises serious ethical concerns, and there is a raging debate in the community about whether we want ASI or not. So that was about the three types of AI. Let's just compare them quickly so that it is easier for you to remember. So the first one is ANI. It exists today. It can do just one task. Example: Google Maps, YouTube, Siri, Alexa, Google Translate, all the AI systems that we are using. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, it is still in research phase, and when it comes to fruition, then it should be able to multitask and have a human level understanding. artificial superintelligence, it is still in theoretical phase. It should have superhuman intelligence capabilities, and of course, it is not yet available. So let's do a quick recap of what we covered till now. Artificial intelligence can be categorized by how smart it is. We have ANI, we have AGI, and we have ASI. Only ANI exists. AGI is in research phase and ASI is in theoretical phase. So that was all about types of AI. In the next video, we'll be talking about features of AI that truly make the artificial intelligence systems intelligent. That was all for today. If you have any questions, please do ask them in the comments and I promise to answer. If you found this useful, please subscribe and also ring the bell icon so that the moment I upload my next video, you'll be notified of that. Also, if you know someone who will benefit from this video, please share it with them. That's all for today. Thank you and bye-bye.